In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a point with coordinates. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to place an exact point at the coordinate location you want, using the command line in your AutoCAD workspace. This method is perfect when you know the X and Y values and need precision. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along even if you're new to coordinate entry. Start by activating the point command. Click into the command line if needed, type the word point, then press enter. This tells the software you want to place a single geometric point. As soon as the command is active, you'll be prompted to enter coordinates. First, type the X value. This is your horizontal position measured from the drawing's origin. After entering the X value, press Tab to move to the Y field. Now type the Y value, which controls the vertical position. Decimals are fine, and negative values place the point to the left or below the origin, depending on your coordinate system. When both values are set, press Enter. The point is now created exactly at that coordinate. Take a moment to confirm the numbers before you finalize them. Coordinates are read relative to your current coordinate system's origin, and the sign of each value matters. If you're working in a rotated or custom system, the X direction follows that setup. Using the Tab key simply moves the focus from the X input to the Y input, so you don't need to type commas or extra characters, just the values. When everything looks right, pressing Enter commits the point to the drawing. Sometimes the point is hard to spot because points can be displayed as a tiny dot by default. If you don't see it, open the point style settings. Type into the command line and press Enter. This brings up the point style window, where you can choose a shape, such as a cross or a circle marker, and adjust the size so it's easier to see. Select the style you prefer and set a size that reads well at your current zoom level. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. The point's visual style updates immediately, making it clear and easy to locate in your drawing. And that's it. You typed point and pressed Enter, entered the X value, pressed Tab, entered the Y value, and pressed Enter to place the point, then used PT Type to adjust how it looks before clicking OK. With these steps, you can place precise points by coordinates every time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough whenever you need a quick refresher.